Hello everyone, I'm incredibly excited to share with you all about the amazing Skinny Love supplement. My name is Anna, and today I'm here to uncover all the secrets of this product that is transforming the weight loss journey for many people. Just imagine a completely natural supplement formulated with organic ingredients and without any harmful chemicals. With Skinny Love, you no longer need to worry about dreaded side effects, only spectacular results. Dr. Cohen was the one who created the Skinny Love formula after extensive studies, realizing that for weight loss to occur, the functioning of amylase levels must be regulated so that the body does not produce excess insulin, as excess insulin causes your body to store fat. And that's what Dr. Cohen achieved, a formula of super ingredients that make amylases survive stomach acid and prevent fat accumulation. Just be aware that there are no miracles and that medical supervision should be sought. This powerful supplement not only aids in weight loss but also boosts your energy levels, improves digestion, and reduces appetite, making it easier to control what you eat. All of this with just one capsule a day. And the best part is, if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with the results, don't worry. Skinny Love offers a money-back guarantee, ensuring that you can try it without any risk. But please note, Skinny Love is exclusively available on its official website. Avoid imitations and get yours safely from the trusted source. So, if you're tired of struggling with weight loss and are ready for a real change, don't waste any more time. Click the link below and get your Skinny Love now. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to embark on a transformation journey towards a healthier and more confident body. Thank you for following along, and until next time.